The REDTIGER 530-degree triple dash cam offers comprehensive coverage with its unique 530-degree view, ensuring no blind spots and enhancing safety against side collisions, theft, and vandalism. Equipped with a superior 2.5K infrared cabin camera, it captures clear footage of both drivers and passengers, even in complete darkness, making it ideal for rideshare services and family use. Navigating the REDTIGER Visionpano20 is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive 3.18-inch touchscreen, which simplifies the process of adjusting settings and managing recordings. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, users can easily view and share footage while also logging essential details like speed and location for insurance or legal purposes. The 24-hour parking monitor feature, complete with a 128-gigabyte card, provides peace of mind by recording any incidents while your vehicle is parked. Installation is straightforward, and with an 18-month warranty and round-the-clock customer support, REDTIGER ensures that drivers have reliable assistance whenever needed.